Hello everyone. In this video, the object comes down to uh, uh, before it collides with another object M2, and then it pushes back, and we want to find the height that the first object goes up. So by the conservation of momentum, if the initial velocity of the first object is v, after collision, it will have the opposite velocity, so it has the negative sign, and the magnitude is v1. And then the second object will have the velocity of v2. And because this collision is elastic, the kinetic energy is also conserved. So we can have the equation for the conservation of kinetic energy. So when you solve this system, if we move minus m1 times v1 to the left side, we can factor the first equation. And for the second equation, we can cancel 1 over 2. And then once again, we can move m1 times v1 squared to the left side, and then factor with m1. And using sum and difference formula, this m1 times v plus v1 is switched to m2 v2. So we can cancel m2 v2 on each side. So the remaining part is v minus v1 is v2. And then if we regard the mass of each object, the first object mass is 5 and the second object mass is 10. So if we put the values of m1 and m2 to the first equation, we have v plus v1 is equal to 2 times v2 if we divide this equation by 5. And then because v minus v1 is v2, when we add these two equations, v2 is 2/3 of v, and the v1 is 1/3 of v. This equation means the first object speed after collision is 1/3 of the speed before the collision. And because the kinetic energy is proportional to the speed squared, if it has 1/3 of velocity, the kinetic energy becomes 1/9 of the original kinetic energy. That means the object goes up to the 1/9 of the height when it comes down to. So the height it can go back is the 9 over 5 meter. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching. 뭐야?